Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Flex-a-lite. It's the 15-inch Blackmagic S-Blade reversible electric fan with adjustable thermostat controller. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I ordered this off of Amazon. I'm kind of kicking myself because I paid $276.27 for it, and I don't know why I didn't double check the price. I stuck it in my cart not that long ago, and then went ahead and ordered it just the other day, not thinking that I needed to double check the cart. But alright, so here it is. This is a nice aftermarket electric fan by Flex-a-lite. As you can see, this is a very nice, high quality electric fan. These things are rated up to 3000 CFM. The current fan I got, I think, is only rated up to 1600, and I don't even know if it's doing that much. So I was then kind of in desperate need of a new fan, and I decided I didn't want to go cheap this time. Last time I went cheap, and I bought the one from AutoZone for 60 bucks. So this one cost me $270. You can get it on Amazon right now for about $250. So I will have to let you know how well it works, but today we're just going to kind of look at it, kind of what comes with it and how it attaches to the radiator. So in the box it comes with this nice set of brackets, and these are how you mount it to your radiator. Comes with 2 pages of instructions. The first page is how to attach it to the radiator, and the second page is how to attach it to your electrical system. So, also in the box, it comes with a bunch of wiring, all the wires you need, a fuse box, and some fuses, and a bunch of different connectors to hook this guy up. And then it comes with these 4 double-sided bolts. These screw in to the fan. So this is the radiator side. It's got a really nice weather stripping that goes all the way around it. The nylon on it's all very durable. It's a bit thicker than the fan I currently have on, which is nice. Kind of comes with its own shroud. The entire dimensions of this thing, this is 16 inches wide by 18 inches tall. The radiator I'm putting it on is at 18 by 18, so this is going to fit really well for what I've got. And currently I've got a 16-inch fan on it. This is a 15-inch fan, but like I said, it's going to be drawing in a lot more air. So as far as mounting it goes, these bolts screw into the top. And then you take the brackets here, these are nice, really lightweight aluminum brackets, and this piece right here, so you can see it adjusts forward and backwards based on if you're going to try and which lip on the radiator you're going to hook it to. My plan is to hook it all the way up over the top of my radiator, but I'm going to have to see, and we'll see that on the installation when I film that. And then once you have this in place, it's got a bunch of different nuts and bolts to adjust this down and up and forward and back. And then once you get to where you need it, you'll just kind of adjust it into place, and then it'll stay there. And then yeah, just to give you an idea of how it adjusts, you put these on and this goes down, and then you just adjust it forward and backwards to where you want it, up and down, and then you tighten these down against each other and that'll hold it in place. That was one of the things when I was looking at these, I was trying to figure out how this actually mounted to the radiator, because my current one, it uses the really junky push-through zip ties. They break all the time, and so I'm constantly having to replace them and pull off and put back on. So I was really looking forward to something a bit more permanent like this. Here's your thermostat. It is adjustable. I'll probably keep mine right around 180 to 190 for when it kicks on, and then this just kind of punches into the side of the radiator, and then this will kick it on. It's also designed, you can add in a optional manual on switch. I've got a switch that I might hook this up to. We'll see. I don't really need it. This does have an option for a manual switch. According to the instructions, it's recommending the Flex-a-lite switch. Other switches will cause the unit to fail, is what it says. Connect the M terminal to the terminal 1 on the switch. So it's actually all labeled pretty easy. Each one of these has a big letter right above it. So I don't expect the electrical to be very difficult. It's got B, C, M, G positive. So should be pretty easy to install. This is a two-way fan. So really, it can be a pusher or a puller. I'm going to be using it as a puller in my vehicle for my application. So hope this helped with the description of this fan. Again, I'm really excited to install this into my Jeep. Hopefully this will help with my heating issues that I've been having on the trail. And then, yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. Sweet, so hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. I'll be sure to post a link to this product on Flex-a-lite's website, and you can get additional information there. Flex-a-lite, I've always been impressed with their quality of products. They are a bit on the expensive side, but when you want a good product, you usually got to pay a little bit more. I learned that quickly with this AutoZone fan that's on my Jeep right now. I wish I would have gone with the more expensive one to begin with. It would have saved me $100 on the front end. Now I'm spending $250 on the back end when I could have just paid $250 altogether. If you like this video, if you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button. If you want to watch more of my videos, hit subscribe. When that subscribe comes up, hit the little bell so you'll get notifications when my videos come up. And hopefully you'll come and see me on my next video when I'm installing this into the Jeep. So look for that, should be coming pretty soon. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.